Vlogmas day 8. I'm reformed. My soul has been saved. What, kitty witty? Get up here. Tell the people. Tell the people how I've changed. Come on, tell them. Oh, you almost didn't make it. The Grinch has been driven from my body. I am putting just a few, Christmas decorations in my booth for sale. They're gonna be for sale. Let me show you. All right, I gotta put you down, my sweet little baby angel. I picked these up from auction. Ooh, I can't remember when. The main reason I got these boxes is because of these little guys. I thought they were really cute, and there's a bunch of them. I haven't gone through these boxes yet. Could be spiders or other bugs. So I figured we'd go through them. These are so cute. I'm sure they're not old, but I really like them. Oh, this is so risky, especially with this cat around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I got 10 of these. All right, all right, all right. Wow, this is sparkly. This string of beads, red and green. Ooh, what the heck? Oh, I didn't even see those. Well, I like those so much more. Oh my gosh. You got kind of more of a blood orange color, and then you have more cranberry and a red and a green. Hey, what's up?
Hey, do you mind if I come over around like 3-ish? Do you think you'll be home?
Possibly. Yeah, I'll be home. I'm in the garage right now, but I want to go to the antique mall later. That's fine. We might not be able to get those tagged today. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going through these 2 boxes of ornaments, and I'm going to try and get those tagged and up to the booth today. Yep, that works. And I have a bunch of tags that you can take with you. I got an emergency situation. The cat's getting on the ornaments. Cat's on ornaments. Cat's on ornaments. How are we going to do this? Oh my God. All right, maybe I just need to start organizing these by color. Oh, okay. There's a lot more than I expected. Oh my gosh, there's more. There was a second layer to that big box of ornaments. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Okay, I thought a lot more of these bulbs were broken. I did not allot this much time to do pricing. I could sell a quarter of this and I would easily make my money back. I don't even know really what to price bulbs at. And some of these I'm like, that's probably only worth like $1. Or maybe I could string like 3 together and sell that for $1, like some of these little ones. Like these little guys. I don't want to sell these a piece. I think I want to put 3 of them together and say all 3 $1, right? Or 5, something like that. I think I'm also going to include those Mercantile. I think I'm also going to include those Mercury. I think I'm also going to include those Mercury glass pieces that I picked up from the Sewers Draft Antique Mall. And this as well. Those read pretty Christmassy to me, and I think it'll work. Oh, lordy, lordy, lord. Guess I gotta start pricing. it's pretty late. We did not make it to the antique mall today. Pricing took way too long, but I plan on going there tomorrow. So that's what tomorrow's vlog is gonna be, doing a Christmas fluff. But let me show you. I have it all right here ready to go. I'm gonna put some beeswax on that table tomorrow and take that with us as well. I'm gonna head to bed. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.